I've been living with this pile of tech for a long time, and I realized recently what we were missing, and it got me a little angry and, quite frankly, motivated. Now, for the last 10 years, we've been building a body without a brain. We bought eyes, we bought ears, we bought hands. Unfortunately, what we got was a smart home with amnesia. I want the lighting in the kitchen at the same level as yesterday at 8 p.m.
Got it. I'll turn on the front door bulb and the floor lamp pro yesterday at 8 p.m.
Wait, what? Every time you speak to a voice assistant, it's like a first date. Every time you make an automation, you start from scratch. Your smart home doesn't know who you are, and it doesn't know what you did 5 minutes ago. It has zero context. We haven't been building life automation. We've just been renting remote controls from big tech companies. Today, that stops. I found the missing piece. It's not a new sensor, it's not matter, it is memory. Today, we're gonna build it. So let's give her. This might look like a regular Mac Mini, but what's running on it is called OpenClaw. Now, this is the real first time you and I have been able to install a real AI agent in our home. Now, you might be thinking, is this just Chat GPT? No. Think of Chat GPT like a librarian. It reads books and it gives you information. OpenClaw is a butler. It has keys to your house. It knows your schedule, and most importantly, it works for you. Mine is named Dr. Zoidberg. Unlike the assistant on your kitchen counter, Zoidberg doesn't just listen and obey. He listens, checks his memory, thinks, and then acts.
Thank you, Dr. Zoidberg. Hermes, incentivize that employee.
This is the future. Even the big brands know it. Hue, Home Assistant, Sonos, SwitchBot is about to launch an AI hub that already integrates with this technology. But the ultimate version, it runs here in your house on your hardware. We're moving from turn on the lights to Zoidberg, help me run my home and life. Having said all that, I want to be 100% transparent about the engine under this hood. To make this work today, I am connecting Zoidberg to Gemini Flash. Yes, I'm paying a subscription for the API, and yes, it's not even the smartest AI model available, but that's a strategic choice. I'm using Flash because it's fast, it's cheap, and it acts as a bridge. It allows us to build the system now. It lets us build the logic and the memory while the truly private, local models like Llama or DeepSeek while they catch up. The goal isn't to rely on Google forever. The goal is to unplug the internet cable, but to get to that local future, we have to build the foundation today. And building that foundation, it almost didn't happen. I spent an entire afternoon here working on this project on my main PC. I figured it's code, it runs anywhere. Well, I spent that entire afternoon fighting dependencies and PowerShell errors and just stability issues. It was the classic smart home experience of you spend 4 hours and you gain back 4 seconds. And so I came out of that, I was ready to quit. So I asked Gemini, the pro version, for help, and it fixed my strategy. It told me for the stability you want, stop fighting with Windows. You need a Unix environment, you need a Mac. So one beautiful afternoon, I bought a Mac Mini. And to put it in perspective, I haven't had a Mac in my home for 13 years. That is how strongly I believe we need to get this done.
The important thing is I'm meeting new people.
Speaking of powerful AI, today's video sponsor is Tapo. They've just released the new C465 security camera alongside their powerful new in-house generative AI system called AI Real. The C465 might be the perfect security camera with its attached tiltable solar panel that takes just 50 minutes of sunlight per day, an easy wire-free install, 4K Ultra HD footage, and industry-leading color night vision, included anti-theft protection, local storage options, and one of the best apps for managing and controlling your cameras. This is a set and forget powerhouse. It also comes with a free 30-day trial of the new AI Reel system, which takes your notifications from simple and repetitive to clear and detailed stories so you know exactly what's going on. You can literally ask the Tapo app, "What did my cat do this week?" and you get a clear summary. Plus, this works with facial recognition so you know your favorite people are safe and secure. Check out the new C465 in the links below, as it's one of my favorites. And now, with these new AI-powered features, all your Tapo cameras just got better. The installation still involves some terminal commands, and you need to set up something called Homebrew, and you got to get API keys and configure the environment. I know many of you want to see exactly how to do it step by step. I didn't want to bog down this video with 20 minutes of that kind of work. So I put the full technical walkthrough over on our tutorials channel. If you're wanting to build this with me, pause this video, go watch that guide, come back, because the installation is just the skeleton. What we're gonna do next is give Dr. Zoidberg over here a soul. In the past, we could change a voice assistant's accent, but we couldn't give it a personality. With OpenClaw, I don't need to code to give Zoidberg a soul. I just talk to him. Now watch this. I'm passing in his identity instructions right into the chat. Now that's it. I didn't restart the server. I just trained him like a human with less effort. Now let's see if he truly understands the channel. I asked him, "Hey Zoidberg, write the outro for this video." That's right, folks. I'm a brain with big ideas, but tiny useless claws. So subscribe, hit the notification bell, prepare to witness the dawn of a new era. It's a great outro. Now, I might have to work with this. That's all gonna change in the next video. We're gonna connect Zoidberg to Home Assistant, other smart home platforms, and we're gonna unleash his potential to control our entire home. So make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and get ready to see what happens when we finally give Zoidberg some hands. Thanks for watching, and of course, live smart. So click up there. Let's go forward.